Okay, let's work with something that has been known to pop up on the exam in the past, and that's using Goalseek. Typing it so you can see what I'm talking about. Goalseek is under data, and it's under what if analysis. But let's talk about what you would use it for. So for example, here you have some different inventory items, uh, different SKU numbers, just like ID numbers. And we know the price per, and we know the quantity. However, for this very last part, we know that the sum here, if you look here, what we've created is just a sum of what's above. We want this what if analysis, we want this to be like 7,000. Okay? What we can do is we can take 7,000 minus 6590, 14, put it here, divide by this. We can kind of start backtracking to see how much we need to sell of this to have a quarter where we sell 8,000 total, or 7,000 total, or 9,000 total, whatever it happens to be. Goalseek, if it pops up on the exam, they'll have you solve for what quantity, and they'll say like using Goalseek or using what if analysis, uh, ascertain what quantity we would have to reach sales of 7,000 or 8,000 or whatever. So let's just quickly go through Goalseek right quick. This is what it looks like when you're on home, okay, just so you know. So go out to data, go to what if analysis, Goalseek, and this is really pretty easy. One of the things that will help you is when you're using Goalseek is go ahead and get on the total line. Don't start way out here, because then what you have to do is after you hit what if analysis Goalseek, then you're in the wrong place and you're going to have to click here and you'll have to come here. You just don't even bother with that. Begin Goalseek in the right place. Start in the total, and that just saves a step. Hit Goalseek. It says set cell. Well, that's exactly where you want to be, because this is what you want to evaluate to a value. Here's to a value. Let's make it 7,000. By changing this cell. So this is the cell that's going to have to swing to make this work. So you got G10 setting to a value of 7,000, and what does E8 need to be? And you hit OK. You notice it does even does some calculation and puts that we would have to sell. Oops, went the wrong way. Sorry. Let's try it again. What if Goalseek value? Let's make 7,000 by changing this cell. And it actually shows you what it needs to be. The reason this is what happens when you hit OK, this is just a what if analysis. It's not actually changing the cell. It's showing you what would need to be in there. Let's go ahead and change it a little bit. Let's go to, well, okay, so I kept it that time. Very interesting. Let's do a different what if. Let's do this what if analysis. I realize now a minute ago I hit cancel instead of OK. Setting the cell, let's set the cell to 8,000. Okay, by changing this cell. You notice it calculates it and puts it to what it should be. If you hit cancel, it goes back to the way it was. If you hit OK, then it actually puts it in there. One more time, just in case it pops up on the exam. Goalseek, we're in the right place. Value 8,000, for example. By changing this, you notice it doesn't have to be blank. Something could be in there. You hit OK. OK, and then it forces it to be to 8,000. Goalseek has been known to pop up on previous exams, so I wanted you to have some exposure to it. It'll pop up on geometrics. It'll pop up on a lot of different things, and I wanted you to get a good look at it. I hope you find this useful.